In this section, I'm going to teach you about limit Texas Holdem. For this example, we are going to be playing 2-4 Holdem. 2-4 Holdem will be denoted by having a $1 small blind, as denoted by the one chip for $1, and a $2 big blind. When betting in limit Holdem, there would be a $1 small blind and a $2 big blind. In order to see the flop, the little blind will have to match $1. Again, reminder, we are playing a 2-4 limit Holdem game. 2 being the minimum bet, $4 being the maximum bet on the turn and on the river card. Here, I'm going to quickly deal a quick hand. Here's the flop. All betting in the limit game, while the flop is going to be a minimum of $2. So, the maximum each player can bet is $2 to start. The following player will have to decide if they will either match $2 to continue to play or raise an additional $2. The turn card is dealt, and then betting in the limit game increases. As we mentioned that this was a 2-4 limit game, the betting now has increased to $4 on the turn card. Same goes as the river card. The river card comes out, it's the 4 clubs, and now another round of betting occurs, and once again, the minimum and maximum bet for the river is $4. If a player chooses to raise, they must raise an increment of 4 on the turn and on the river. If they choose to raise on the flop, they will have to raise in an increment of 2.